Hi, and welcome back. This is Rob Thomas, your Everything Microsoft Enterprise Cloud Architect. And today we are going to cover creating free services like a virtual network or a virtual VM inside of Azure. So we did cover in previous videos how to create a virtual network. This one, I'm going to show you how to create a free service and create, some free services, but sake of time, we're going to only focus on creating a virtual machine inside of Azure today. So without further ado, let's dig into it. Let's give a shout out to our sponsor, which is the Software Dudes, the Enterprise Software Solution. These guys are great for any of your Microsoft 365, Azure, Copilot, SQL Server, Windows Server needs. These guys are amazing. Highly recommend them. You can see all their clients. I'm a partner. I use them every time I have challenges, issues, or deep questions. These guys are amazing. 24/7 support. Again, highly recommend working with these guys. You will love them. All right, let's jump into this. Okay, so previous video, we covered setting up budgets. We covered locating free services. Today, we're going to create a free virtual network, a free virtual machine. And let's dive into that. All right, as you already know, to easily get here, you'll just go here and you'll click free. And then, probably like S, and then you click on our free services, it'll get you here. Now, before I dig into free services, I do want to spend some time on the virtual network side. So I just want to quickly do a quick mad dash through this. So you click on this, virtual machines, click on virtual machines. This is the paid version. This is just a recap, get you in the habit of creating virtual machines. I'm going to jet through this. You can see the cost. And then I'm going to show you the free services piece. But really, really, really quickly, you'll come in here. You get, you will, actually, I should just do it. You go to virtual networks, virtual machines, you click on there, it'll bring you here. And then you go create, you click this virtual machine here, and you will get to here. So you can see I found that, grab that one, set this as a virtual machine name, chose that, US2, I could change it to 3, got my availability zone, rocking and rolling, set of zone 1, 2, 3. I just chose zone 1, make it a little more easier today. Trusted launch virtual machine right there. I'm going to choose 64-bit. I'm going to see all the images. I'll click there, but you can see all these other images. Windows Server. I chose a Ubuntu server. You already know this stuff, just recapping. And then this is the tricky part. You're going to click this the sizing, kind of figuring that out. I chose that one because it was cheaper. And then you can see all the unsupported. I actually can click that and then show you it. Screen is going a little slow, so you can kind of see that. Let me exit out because I already preset this. I don't want it to fail on me. And then this is going to be preset here. The only difference is that here, this one it is going to show you the port section, right? So when you're actually logged into this section, at the bottom here, you'll see like available ports. And you want to make sure you click none. So the first one that's going to be most important to you is that it's going to be a checkbox in here. You'll click none because it'll preset the other one. Just because I already preset this. Again, you already know this. It just makes it easier. It won't trigger next steps in the networking piece. But jump over to disk. That's already set. You can see local redundancy storage, zone storage. That looks good. That looks good. Go to networking. As I mentioned, that it would have triggered the load balancer, and then all this other stuff would have triggered. That looks good. And then I would create a new name. Definitely plug my name in there. Hit OK. Already did that. Right. Oh, and skip this piece, but make sure that's set. So that looks good. Default, subnet, good, right? Skip, management, monitor, you already know this, advantage, tag, get here to review and create. And all I'm looking for this is just to go green, running the validation, it'll go green, already did it. Boom, it passed. And the thing that you're going to notice is this is going to estimate a monthly cost, $178.54. So if I was to click that, boom, I get hit with a bill charged like right away. So I just wanted to show you just really quickly, really fast, how to create a virtual network, a regular way, right? Paid version. Let me get out of this because I don't want to accidentally click something happened on my mouse, clicks it, and I get hit with a charge. Right now, again, back to free services. Again, you put that there. I'll click on that. I'll click create, that button right here. And you can see I already created it, but I'm going to walk you through it again. And yeah, let me go through this again, and then I'm going to just click a resource group, right? See, because I already did it. So I'll probably say it like, I'll give it another resource group, like ai.web.test I would say probably test 1 or test 2 dash WU2. Hit OK. That resource group is always the tricky one, right? And I'll just call this, VM West US 2. I'll say like version 2, like that, right? And then it's giving me this. And remember, like, we're looking for this. Make sure it says that, and make sure they're right there. Free eligible services will not be charged up to 750 hours. Like, I'm looking for those. Oh, okay, I know it's free, right? And then I would say, maybe admin user, whatever. I'm gonna say, right. I'm not gonna save it, so we're okay. Right. All right, cool. That's set, right? And remember last time, ports, I clicked none. Perfect. And the cool thing is that this was a lot easier, right? And I'm probably going to do cost center and maybe that one, right? And then I'm going to jump over to review and create. All right, fingers crossed. I hope this is going to pass. I might have a resource group error that might fire here in red. Oh, it passed. Wow. All right, great. Did it right. So I'm glad. And then I just click create. And then once you click create, you just have to wait your deployment. So you can see I already created it, right? And we're done. That's literally the steps right there to creating a free virtual machine, getting up, running, get it going, and you're off and running. All right. I hope this was helpful. I hope you got a lot of value out of this. Today, I wanted to show you how to create a free service, a free virtual machine, get it up and running, get it going. Comment below your experience. Like, how do you feel? Like, you created a free service. Now you can play around and do things. I want to hear your feedback. And I hope this was helpful. I hope this was valuable. So I look forward to engaging with you. So please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.